Hey guys, today we have a bunch of dumplings to open. I mean a bunch, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dumplings. Bro. My sister's over there opening her dumplings. I think she got the golden one. Okay, so first, I already opened this one. Pretty cool. I like it. And then we have this jellyfish Nito that I already got. Pretty cool. Okay, now, first thing we're gonna dive into are the mini dumplings. So you see this thing right here? See? First. The first dumpling I open is the golden squishy one. I'm pretty sure that's the golden squishy one. I'm not fully entirely sure. This is the first. This is the mini one. This is a mini golden dumpling, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, first try, bro. That's insane. And remember, I already have a golden squishy dumpling. Okay, now let's open the other side one. Got blue. That's pretty good. That's pretty cool. Got a blue sparkle on. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we go to the big boys. So first, we're gonna unbox this one. Pink sparkling one. Same one that Mila got in the last video. Pretty cool. Alright. So now, oh wait, is this the golden squishy one? No, I don't think it. Oh, it has Orbeez in it. Look at this. Yeah, I'm terrible. I know. Okay. Now I'm so scared for the last one. Yo, what the flip? And Demi, what the flip? Oh yeah, the short we made? Oh guys, go check out that short I just made. Mila tried to steal my golden squishy dumpling. Oh my god. Mila! Why did you do that? She tried to run. But she just tried. Okay, whatever. So, and this guy, I love this guy. Or the Nito jellyfish. Guys, tell me if you guys would prefer the pink or purple colors in the comments. Cause I'm pretty big fan of the blue. Look, it looks even better on the camera than it is in real life. Cause in real life it's kind of like a more cyan blue. The cup and this, well, actually this is more teal in real life. And on the camera, this kind of looks more cyan. Okay, final dumpling, guys. Final dumpling. Let's see what we get. Imagine it is the golden. It's another golden sparkly one. And guys, this is like the cardboard. The golden squishy dumpling looked a tiny bit different, so it won't be like it won't be like see-through. It'll be kind of like, if it is the golden squishy dumpling, it won't be see-through. It'll be kind of more like this, but like just a tiny bit more see-through. But like the same stuff that's in here will be in that golden squishy dumpling if this is the golden squishy dumpling. Okay, here we go. Let's see if the boys' look kicks in. Hold on, wait, did I get it? bad. I got the golden one, bro. Look at that. It is golden. I'm pretty sure this is the golden one.
Look at my nails, everybody.
No one cares about your nails. I mean, maybe if girls are watching this video, they might, but... Alright, then we're gonna just go over real quick all the dumplings I've opened. Golden one, super rare. Green Orby one, kind of rare. Jellyfish, I just found it. I don't even know if it's rare or not. Pretty rare, pink, sparkly one. Hold on, I gotta get all these boxes sorted out. And the one, oh man, golden, the rare golden mini one, super rare. The golden, the sparkly blue one, pretty rare. And the what's it called? The cyan, the like cyan blue one. It's not really sparkly. Everything I have is everything I have here, it is sparkly, but this one. But this one is still cool. No offense to you, little bro. What is that? No, Demi, you gotta turn your iPad down. Let's just quickly go over these. Like, my dumpling family. I'm in Florida right now, y'all, so I have more dumplings at home that I have unboxed, and yeah, I got a dumpling family pink sparkly one. What the flip? Okay. Sparkly, what? I hate that game. Okay, so pink sparkly one, golden sparkly one, the mini version, the blue sparkly one, mini version. Let's put this in its casing.
Are you still recording?
Yes, Mila. People want a 50-second long video where I say, let's open all these dumplings. Bat, 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 bat. Oh, I got the rare one. Bat, bat. Okay, we're done. Okay, and green one goes in here. The green Orby one, sparkly, pretty rare. And then the golden, let's make this golden one like, now it's time to go back in your casing, Your Honor.